Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying essentials. Make sure you're on a stable network, ideally wired or 5 GHz Wi-Fi, because buffering is a network issue. Next, restart the browser and the specific tab to drop stale sessions. Once done, clear the browser cache for Google video pages and temporarily disable hardware acceleration. This prevents GPU decode conflicts that often block playback. These first actions remove common session, caching, and rendering blockers so you can move into deeper fixes. Now, update your browser because missing codec updates or security changes can break playback. Modern players need H.264 or VP9 support. Then disable extensions and add blockers one at a time, since they inject scripts or block requests. After that, run the video in incognito or a different browser profile to isolate corrupted settings or cookies. If the video plays there, you know it's a profile or extension conflict. This method narrows the cause, so you don't change unrelated system settings. Finish by updating your graphics and audio drivers, then reboot, because driver mismatches stop decoding or audio output. Next, sign out of Google, sign in again, and try a different account to rule out account-specific restrictions or parental controls. If the problem persists, test the same video on another device to determine if it's device or network related, and note any error codes or console messages. One key troubleshooting tip: collect error text and a short screen recording before seeking support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.